I've always wanted to try and restore an old tool to its former glory, and being's how I like clamps, I figured I'd look for one of those. When I found the listing for this clamp on eBay, the seller said it was a Connecticut Tool Company clamp, but when I looked up the patent number, it was for the Cincinnati Tool Company. The patent number you see here was granted in 1927 to Delbert L. Farmer and John M. Hargrave. There was also an additional patent granted to John in 1929 for the fixed and sliding jaw design. The Circle H on tools made by the Cincinnati Tool Company signifies that it was designed by John M. Hargrave. After wiping the clamp down with mineral spirits, I got a tub of warm water and added 1 cup of citric acid to it. Once that fully dissolved, I placed the clamp in the solution and I let it sit for about 45 minutes. While I was cleaning the clamp after the initial soak, I noticed that a few areas could use some additional help, so I decided to double down and add 2 cups of citric acid to a fresh tub of warm water. It didn't take long for me to see the reaction either. I let the clamp sit for maybe 15 minutes in the new solution before taking it out and giving the clamp its final cleaning. Once I was done cleaning the clamp and was happy with how it looked, I added a precise amount of baking soda to an even more precisely filled fresh tub of water. This solution will neutralize the effects of the citric acid. I let the clamp soak in it for about an hour. After that, I dried it off and added a light mist of mineral oil to protect it from rusting. With some elbow grease and a little help from chemistry, I was able to restore this clamp to its former glory, or as close as I could get without using power tools. This was honestly the first time I've ever used citric acid, and the first time I've tried my hand at restoring a tool, and honestly, I think I did a pretty good job. Everything works as it should now, the threaded handle doesn't sound like a meat grinder anymore, and the sliding jaw slides with ease. I am very pleased with the results, and I would consider tackling another project like this in the future. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Hopefully you found it useful and mildly entertaining. If you haven't already, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any comments or questions about this video, please feel free to leave those below and I will address them when I can. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and have a good one.